Hello dear friends, and welcome once again to another lesson, part 2 of parts of the body, and today we are going to look at the face. Our video objectives today will be naming the parts of the face in Kikuyu, sentence examples, and repeating a Kikuyu tongue twister. For our tongue twister at the end of the lesson, make sure you comment below if you've been able to say the tongue twister or not. So let us begin. Odio. Odio is face. Odio. Modio, which comes from maudio. Modio is faces. Oyo ne odio. Oyo ne odio. Maya ne modio. Maya ne modio. Maya ne modio. Oyo ne odio wa modo. Oyo ne odio wa modo. Maya ne modio ma adu. Maya ne modio ma adu. Ridho. Ridho. For the plural, maidho. 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 Butu. 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 Inioro. 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 Manioro. 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 Didi. 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 Kanua. 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 Tonua. 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 Rodea. 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 There, that is the plural. They are there. Moromo. 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 For the plural, meromo. 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 Kereru. 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 For the plural, ireru. 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 Roreme. 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 The plural, neme. 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 Igego. 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 For the plural, magego. 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 And now for our tongue twister. Be ready? Here we go. Makena kenaga kenererukite. Makena kenaga kenererukite. Just in case you didn't get it, here we go again. Makena kenaga kenererukite. Makena kenaga kenererukite. Try to repeat that after me. And make sure to comment so that I know that you are able to say the tongue twister. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Till next time.